Yo! Easter update is here and I'll be showcasing to you how to actually collect all the Easter eggs in Blue Log Rivals. So make sure you guys comment down below Easter. Comment down below Easter if you're happy to be in the Easter update. But if you want to collect all the eggs, it's very simple, okay? All these eggs can be collected in Blue Log Rivals right now. They will be scattered around all the different maps. So in today's video, you can actually get yourself a free slot. If you comment below Easter, you can get yourself a free slot. I'll be literally giving these free slots away to you guys. There will be 5 winners, okay? 5 winners for the Easter update. But if you do want to get yourself these Easter eggs, these are the Easter eggs that I'll be literally talking about. The egg hunt Easter eggs. These eggs will be spawning across the map, all the different maps in Blue Log Rivals, and in Blue Log Rivals you can actually get yourself these Easter eggs right now. So don't miss out on these Easter eggs. There will be a huge reward. There's will be a huge reward in the egg hunt, and you can just find these eggs inside of the maps of Blue Log. So just play a match and you can actually just join up the match. Then you can find all these eggs inside of the game.